how to insert page numbers in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word and then you can see insert option in the ribbon bar. Tap on it and you can see page number under header and footer. Just tap on it and you can choose where you want the page number to appear. You can choose top of the page, bottom of page. You can even choose the page margins. Just tap on the alignment that you want, and then you can choose whether you want it on left hand side, right hand side, middle of the page, or you want accent bar. So just tap on it and you can see this is what the page number looks like. You can start from different first page, or you can even take different odd and even pages, or you can just untick it if you don't want. So this is what it looks like, and there you go. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.